Uruguay, nestled quietly in the southern cone of South America, is a land that whispers its allure rather than proclaims it. Sandwiched between the lively samba rhythms of Brazil and the tango-filled streets of Argentina, Uruguay stands as a haven of serenity, where nature's artistry unfolds in subtle yet striking ways. This small yet profound country invites you into a world where the vastness of its skies and the rhythm of its rivers offer solace to those seeking something more profound than grandeur. Here, time slows down, allowing you to savor the harmony between land, water, and the human spirit. Uruguay's natural beauty lies not in dramatic spectacles, but in the quiet moments. A sea breeze brushing your face, the rustle of Pampas grass in the wind, or the play of sunlight over its rolling hills. Uruguay is a destination for those willing to look closer, to feel deeper, and to lose themselves in the simplicity that makes it so extraordinary. Let us embark on a journey to explore the soul of this land, where every corner whispers stories of nature's gentle power and life's enduring beauty. The heart of Uruguay beats strongest in its Pampas, the expansive grasslands that stretch as far as the eye can see. These rolling plains, blanketed in shades of green, are a canvas painted by nature, shifting hues with the seasons and dancing in rhythm with the wind. It's a landscape that feels eternal, as though it has existed unchanged since the dawn of time. Life in the Pampas moves with a deliberate grace. The gauchos, Uruguay's iconic cowboys, traverse the land on horseback, their silhouettes blending seamlessly into the horizon. These men and women are guardians of a way of life that treasures harmony with nature, where every sunrise brings a new opportunity to nurture the land and connect with its essence. The hills, soft and undulating, are punctuated by ancient trees that stand like sentinels watching over the land. In spring, wildflowers bloom in bursts of color, their fragrance carried on the breeze. This is a place where silence is not empty but filled with meaning, where the hum of insects, the chirping of birds, and the gentle rustle of grasses compose a symphony of life. To stand in the Pampas is to feel the heartbeat of Uruguay itself, a steady, soothing reminder that in the vastness of nature there is peace. Uruguay's coastline stretches like a delicate string of pearls, each beach and village offering a unique charm. The Atlantic Ocean kisses the golden sands, creating a mosaic of serene escapes and lively gathering places. From the chic allure of Punta del Este to the wild beauty of Cabo Polonio, the coast embodies a world of contrasts. In Cabo Polonio, you find a place untouched by modernity. Here, the absence of electricity allows the stars to shine brighter, and the sound of waves becomes a soothing lullaby. Seals bask lazily on rocky shores, their presence a testament to the unspoiled nature of this sanctuary. Time feels suspended, each moment stretching to infinity as the natural world envelops you. Further along the coast, Punta del Este gleams with sophistication, yet even amid its vibrancy, nature is the star. The beaches here are caressed by crystal-clear waters, while the famous sculpture La Mano, with its fingers reaching out of the sand, serves as a poignant reminder of humanity's connection to the earth. As the day ends, the sunsets along Uruguay's coast take center stage. The skies ignite in hues of orange, pink, and purple, casting their glow over the waters. It's a daily performance of unparalleled beauty, a quiet yet profound celebration of life. Uruguay's wetlands and lagoons are a haven for biodiversity, a world where water and land intertwine to create an ecosystem teeming with life. The Esteros de Farapos, a vast network of marshes and lagoons, is a treasure trove of natural wonder, home to a staggering array of birds, fish, and mammals. Here, the wetlands reflect the sky in shimmering shades of blue and silver, creating a surreal, mirror-like landscape. Herons glide effortlessly above the reeds, their wings cutting through the air with silent precision. Capybaras, the gentle giants of these waters, move through the shallows, their presence a reminder of the harmony that exists within these ecosystems. The lagoons are cradled by lush vegetation, their still waters disrupted only by the occasional ripple of fish or the delicate landing of a dragonfly. Each lagoon is a story waiting to be discovered, a microcosm of life where every detail, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a role in the grand narrative of nature. The wetlands are a living testament to the resilience and beauty of Uruguay's natural world. They invite you to pause, to observe, and to marvel at the delicate balance that sustains life in its purest form. The countryside of Uruguay is a place where nature and tradition coexist in perfect harmony. Vineyards stretch over the hills, their rows of vines heavy with grapes that capture the essence of the land. The Tanat grape, Uruguay's signature variety, produces wines that are as robust and earthy as the landscapes from which they come. Olive groves, their silvery leaves shimmering in the sunlight, add a Mediterranean flair to the countryside. These groves produce some of South America's finest olive oils, their flavors infused with the purity of the land. The villages scattered across the countryside feel like echoes from another era. Colonia del Sacramento, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, enchants with its cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, and riverside setting. As you walk through its historic heart, you can almost hear the whispers of centuries past, blending seamlessly with the rustling of leaves and the gentle lapping of the river. Life in the countryside moves at its own pace, unhurried and deeply connected to the rhythms of nature. It's a place where every moment feels rich with meaning, where simplicity is celebrated, and where the bond between people and the land remains unbroken. Uruguay's rivers are the veins through which life flows, carving paths of beauty and sustenance across the landscape. The Rio de la Plata, with its immense breadth, feels like a borderless sea, its waters reflecting the skies above in endless shades of blue. The Uruguay River, winding through the country, is a lifeline for the towns and villages that dot its banks. Its currents carry the stories of the land, connecting communities and nourishing the fields that provide sustenance. Along these rivers, life flourishes in quiet harmony. Fishermen cast their nets into the waters, their silhouettes framed by the glow of the setting sun. Families gather on the riverbanks, their laughter mingling with the gentle sound of flowing water. The rivers are not just geographical features, they are the soul of the country, a source of life and a wellspring of inspiration. Uruguay is a country that speaks to the heart. Its beauty doesn't overwhelm, it embraces. From the vast Pampas to the shimmering coastline, from the wetlands teeming with life to the timeless charm of its countryside, Uruguay is a place where nature and humanity find harmony. Here, time slows, and every detail of the landscape comes alive. The scent of wildflowers on the breeze, the soothing rhythm of waves, and the golden light of sunset through the trees. These moments weave into an experience both personal and universal. As you leave this land, you carry more than memories. You carry the quiet wisdom of its landscapes, the warmth of its people, and the serenity of its spirit. Uruguay doesn't dazzle to leave its mark. It humbly stirs something deep within. It's not just a place you visit, it's a place that visits you, settling quietly in your soul.